Hi, this is Jack here. And we have special guest. It's Diana.
Good morning.
And we have Pupster Jr. here too. But before we play everyone's favorite morning game is That's the Bus, I'm going to show you two new engines I got for Toys R Us on my birthday. I have Winged Thomas. He's brand new.
Show us his wings, buddy.
Here it is.
Very cool.
We
Kinda
have
looks like a
Annie
space
and
shuttle.
Clarabelle. Finally, an Annie and Clarabelle.
Yep,
A Trackmaster toy.
that's right.
We have Samson. And here's his dinosaur car. I think that would be a stegosaur. So let's play Is That the Bus? Pink, Thomas, and Samson don't know how to play.
Oh, can you explain how we play?
No, Daddy, you explain it to them.
Okay. So what we do is, as we are waiting for the school bus for John and Jack, we ask.
The medieval castle is coming.
We'll show you that in just a second. We ask if various things, different things, are the bus. And whoever is up will tell us whether it is actually the bus or it's something else.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Do you guys get that?
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah. Now let's let Wing Thomas go first.
Okay. Let's go.
He's the newest one.
All right.
He
Wing-
was 2015.
Not so loud, guys. Winged Thomas.
Excuse me. Hold on a
Yes.
minute. I have to fold out his wings. There. That's better.
Also, what about my castle set?
We'll show the castle set in a second. Winged Thomas. Is that the bus?
No, it's Jack's backpack.
Are you sure?
hmm
You are correct. That is Jack's backpack.
Samson's turn.
Wait,
Okay.
what about my
Samson's turn, and then we're gonna show John's new castle set. Samson. Is that the bus?
No, it's a car.
Are you sure that's a car?
Yeah.
100% sure?
Yeah, but I think I hear the bus.
Yes, Samson, that was a car.
And now we interrupt this game. This morning game with a special.
It's garbage day, so that might be the garbage truck.
So
I don't know.
we
It could be the
interrupt
bus.
this.
It could be the bus. We'll see. All right, John, show us your castle set, buddy.
Okay, it's Jonathan here, and
Back up, Jack.
so we have a new castle set that we got.
At Toys R Us.
Yeah, Jack.
The
With
same place that we got.
Wait,
Hey.
what we got? The
Hey,
and
Jack, go sit by the
now can you
backpacks.
zoom the camera in on them?
Go sit by the backpacks, Jack. Sit by the backpacks. Good job. Okay.
So every time I do a castle battle, I like to think about
Hey,
my
Jack, you're in the
favorite-
shot again.
I like to think about the battle.
Jack, you're in the shot again. Okay.
I
Thank you.
really like to think about the Battle of Helm's Deep or something like that. I really like Lord of the Rings.
So what do you got?
So,
That's
King,
Just show us some highlights. Not everything, just a couple highlights, because you have a lot of stuff there.
a castle, a catapult,
catapult and cannon.
right. But the cannonballs are very tricky. So,
You can launch it. Too.
just like,
Lift. Oops. Okay. I got it.
Jack's got it. Jack's got it.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, no references.
All right. So who's up next?
Or Annie.
Wait,
And-
wait, what about some of the soldiers?
Oh, real quick, John.
Horse number 1, Mrs. Soldier jumping.
Alright, Annie's next.
Wait!
Oh, John, it's John's turn. Backup check.
Oh.
Horse number 1 is next.
Okay, Jack. Why don't you ask the question?
Horse number 1 is that the bus? No, I'm pointing to you, Dad.
No, it's Dad.
Not the bus.
Now it's Annie's turn.
Annie.
No, I gotta show
Okay.
Annie on
Yep,
the screen.
Annie. There's Annie. There's Annie right there.
There's her face.
Okay. Yep. There
Now
she is.
let's-
Hey, Annie. Is that the bus?
No, it's a tree.
Annie, are you sure?
Yeah.
How sure?
11% sure.
70 billion% sure. You are right. That is not the bus. Okay, John, your turn.
Wait, never mind. That was always the right.
Okay, who's next?
Clarabelle.
Clarabelle. Let's see Clarabelle. Okay, Clarabelle. Clarabelle. Is that the bus?
No, it's a leaves.
It's a what?
Leaves.
Leaves?
Yeah.
Yeah?
11% sure.
You're sure? 100%? 11 billion%?
There's trees. Okay. Leaves. Point on that. Oh, hi.
Morning.
Now faces.
Alright, who's next?
No. If so, Clarabelle was the leaves.
Yes, Clarabelle. That was not the bus. Those are leaves.
Dino.
Oh, I think I hear it.
Dino's turn.
Dino, is that the bus?
What the heck?
That sound.
Yes!
Yes, alright, good
Dino
job.
wins.
Dino's the winner. Say goodbye, everybody.
But we can't play the bus yet. Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye!